The broil function delivers top-down heat at high temperatures and is designed to brown, melt, and crisp the top side of your food evenly. It's excellent for cooking various cuts of meat, poultry, fish, sausages, and vegetables, as well as open sandwiches. To begin, insert the wire rack to the top position with it facing upwards. Drop the broiling rack into the roasting pan and place your food in the center so that the Element IQ system can move heat around the food evenly for optimal results. Use the function dial to select the broil function. Then adjust the temperature and time settings with the temp time dial. Press the Start/Stop button to activate. You'll see the orange LCD display and the timer commence the broiling countdown. During the broiling process, you can toggle the super convection button for the set cooking temperature, which will adjust to compensate for the convection fan increasing cooking rates. And at the end of the cook time, press the A Bit More button to further brown your cook for that desired result. The Smart Oven Air Fryer Compact really takes the thinking out of cooking with the broil function. It's time to get broiling, my friend!